Asparagus is one of my favorite vegetables to cook. So I'm gonna show you not one way, but two ways to make them absolutely delicious. It's really easy to make your own tempura. You can go to the supermarket, buy your own tempura mix, but it really comes down to like cell-raising flour, an egg, and really cold sparkling water. So whiskey business, a nice whisk. I always keep a little bit of ice on side. Whiskey business, almost turn into a paste. And it's important you do this very gradually so you avoid formation of lumps. Okay, now at this stage, you can use your finger, right? You put your finger inside. Now I'm gonna put an egg for a little bit more elasticity. Okay, and a little pinch of salt. Normally, I put a couple of these ice cubes just to cool things down. Okay, whole asparagus, a little bit of an angle here. Drop it like it's hot. Look at this, you see the vegetable? Now I'm gonna get a few of the dribble first to start creating some of that crispy bits. Very important. Now at this stage, that's what you're looking for. You see all the little crispy bits? That's a perfect asparagus for me. Now when they're still really nice and hot, you're gonna season it, just a little bit of paprika. And I'm gonna shake it in the pan. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what you call a beautiful, crispy, and delicious asparagus. Enjoy. Oh. The second way I'm going to show you how to make this asparagus is grill. But what we're gonna do is use some Spanish jamon. Is do a little jacket around the asparagus. And now with a couple of them, is roll, baby, roll. Okay, really simple. Just wrap it around like this. Put a tiny bit of oil, even if it goes in the bowl. Just give them a nice brush. Make sure you put them on top of the lines of the grill pan on a barbecue. Oh yeah, baby. You need something a little bit tangy to get them to the next level. And that's a nice big splash of lemon juice. You use a lemon cheek, and at the same time it's grilling in there, with the same lemon, we're gonna grill the lemon. And now we're talking. You got your beautiful jamon grilled asparagus. So there you have it, two very different ways to cook delicious asparagus. Tempura, nice and crispy, with nice temperature and a little bit of paprika, or grill with delicious Spanish jamon and lots of lemon juice. Which one you have? The tempura, the grilled one, or maybe both?